Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents the Dalton Red Wings. This is the Dalton Wings Edition Balisong butterfly knife. It is custom made by Dalton. Only 100 models were built in the Kentucky Custom Makers production shop. This is a large butterfly knife with a tapered handle that grips extra nice in the open and closed position and spins like the best of them. The Wings Edition has a dagger needle blade, has red anodized alloy handles, and a silver stainless steel blade with Dalton engraved. This thing's flippin' sick. The Dalton Red Wings. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com